Teacher Bridget. I am a VIPKid teacher. I have been teaching with VIPKid for just about a year. My 1-year anniversary is coming up and I'm so excited. This is the best job ever. Anyway, so what I want to talk to you guys about today is a quick and easy way to do feedback. When I first started, I think I was teaching around 50 classes a week. I spent 20 to 30 minutes per class writing feedback because I wanted it to be good, I wanted it to be professional, and I wanted my students to keep coming back. So I spent a lot of time making sure it sounded good, making sure that I really talked about things that they needed to work on, and talked about the how well the students behaved in class. I went into a lot of detail. I didn't write just a couple sentences. Anyway, so I was spending a lot of time. I was getting worn out. I think between teaching, doing feedback, and planning for class, I was working like 50 or 60 hours a week. It was terrible, absolutely terrible. I was taking naps in the middle of the day. And I think maybe 5 months into, maybe less than that, maybe 5 months into my VIPKid journey, I found out about an awesome resource called Google Slides. So there's a Facebook group called, I'm going to pan over so you guys can see, VIPKid Google Slides official group. And what this is a free resource that helps you plan for class, gives you digital props, and helps you do feedback, and gives you reward systems. So you don't have so much stuff. I was tired of the stuff. I like digital. I do not want to organize and buy and spend so much time and money planning and doing all these things. I wanted something easy. I wanted something that was going to be less time consuming. So I started using this and it has changed my life. The admin of this group spends so much of their own personal time helping other teachers, and it is fantastic. These people who are in charge of this group, I could not thank enough, and they ask for absolutely no money. They don't even take donations. They want you, if you want to give them any kind of money, they ask that you give it to a nonprofit of their choice. They don't want any money. So I'm going to share with you guys how you get access to this fantastic stuff. You join the VIPKid group. Once you are accepted into the group, you go to the Start Here page, the announcements, and click on the link. Once you click on the link, there's a huge tutorial on how you use all of the resources. I really suggest watching all of them. You have to watch some of them before you can even get the resources, because you have to take a quiz. But it's very important to take the quiz. That way the admins aren't having to answer the same questions over and over and over and over. There's almost 17,000 teachers in this group. So you have to take the quiz just to make their lives a little bit easier and to make your life easier so you don't have so many questions. All right, so I use this program to do feedback, and I'm going to show you all how simple it is and how quick it is to do feedback. I am going to pan over here. Okay, here we go. So I am on my portal. These are the kids that I taught today. Amy, oh, no, I'm not. These are the kids that I taught today. Sorry, guys. Okay, I taught 8 classes today. So normally this would be over here in the upcoming classes area. I haven't done my feedback yet, which I need to do it very quickly. So these are the classes that I still need to do feedback for. So all you have to do is highlight, use Control-C if you have a Windows, and this is the amazing planner. All you do is copy Oops, I need to pan over. Sorry, guys. Oh no! My computer's being wonky. All right, here we go. This is the amazing planner. Sorry for all the technical issues. This is the amazing planner. All you do is copy your classes from the portal. You don't have to edit anything and paste it into the planner. And then you just click a couple buttons. I'm not going to go into too much detail. That's all explained in the tutorial. This is really just to sell you guys on the idea of this and how easy it is. It goes and does a few things on the back end of it. And then there's all these tabs down here. When you are ready to do your feedback, you click on My Feedback. All right, the amazing thing about this program is that it puts the student's name in for you. So you don't have to type it out. These are all templates that insert the name for you. So I need to do Annie's feedback. So there's all these rows and columns. Cell, that's the word I was looking for. There's all these cells. All right, I'm gonna copy this cell here. I want this feedback. This is for my class with Annie. Then I am gonna go into my classroom where I leave my feedback. Let me switch back over. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here. Feedback, empty. Oh no. And this is gonna pop up. I'm gonna paste it in. It was nice to teach Annie in class. Today she continued to learn more about the 5 senses. For math, Annie learned about place value and she was able to identify the place value of different numbers, blah, blah, blah. Her name's already in it. All I have to do is go in and edit any sentences of things that she didn't do well on or things that she did do well on. I add in teacher Bridget. I put in my tips to the next teacher. I click on how well she did in class. And that is it, guys. It is amazing. It is absolutely amazing. Let me switch back over. I'm not sure why it's not doing. Okay, so that is all you have to do. So each class, unless you have a lot of editing, of course, to do within the feedback that it gives you, I can do my 8 classes of feedback in 20 or 30 minutes, whereas before I was spending 20 or 30 minutes per class. It is such a lifesaver, y'all. I cannot begin to express how thankful I am for this resource and for this program. There are so many other fantastic things about this that I'm not going to talk about in this video, but I want to emphasize this because I know a lot of people spend a lot of their extra time doing feedback. We're not paid for it. I'm not saying that you need to be lazy with your feedback, but what I am saying is that this is extra time that we can spend with our family, with our children, running errands, doing anything else. And this helps so much. Y'all, if y'all have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video was informational and y'all enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye, guys.